to episode 5 of Maintenance Motorway. In our previous episode, we talked about tire tread patterns, 3 types of tire tread patterns, and their characteristics. Today we'll talk about regular tire checks or inspections. Stay tuned. Tire inspection is a condition where various physical characteristics of a tire are checked. The overall purpose of tire inspection is to check for tire issues that can be dangerous for drivers to drive with, such as tire punctures. During a tire inspection, the tire pressure, tread depth, and tire are checked. There are lots of benefits that come with a regular tire inspection or maintenance. They are: minimize irregular tire wear, save labor and maintenance costs, reduce roadside breakdown, and also improve safety. Minimize irregular tire wear. Irregular tire wear is one of the primary reasons for early tire removal, and inflation is often a contribution factor. Tires typically lose up to 2% of their air pressure every month. Worn valve stems and temperature changes can increase the amount of pressure loss, as nail holes and other tire damaging factors. A regular tire inspection will help to reduce this. Save labor and maintenance costs. Regular tire inspection reduces time spent on tire repairs and a reduction in labor cost than getting a tire replaced or fixed due to an inflation or any other tire damaging factors. Reduce roadside breakdown. Many tire-related roadside breakdowns could be prevented by proper tire routine checks or maintenance practices, especially inflation pressures and tire wear checks. Improve safety. Tire inspection helps protect drivers and other road users from any unexpected incidents while driving or causing any harm or injury to other road users. Improper inflation pressure also changes the tire contact patch, and other tire-prone failure factors can affect stopping, acceleration, traction, and vehicle handling, thereby impacting vehicle safety. Proper tire pressures also protect your tires. That's all for today. In the next episode, we'll demonstrate how to inspect, measure tire treads, and do a leak test on your tire. And as usual, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, but always practice defensive driving.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media pages: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and TikTok at AutoShark Ghana for other educational content.